When people think of Lexus, they think about the LS, LC, IS, and the famous LFA. Even though Lexus's RX SUV has been in desperate need of a redesign for some time, the wait will soon be over. To replace the previous 7-year-old model, a brand new generation will be introduced in 2023. A quartet of powertrains will be available, including a new plug-in hybrid model. After 7 model years, the most popular LX is finally receiving a makeover. The 2023 Lexus RX will go on sale by the end of 2022. Here is our review of the upcoming 2023 Lexus RX. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Dimensions. While the size of the 2023 Lexus RX is identical to those of its predecessor, it is larger where it concerns. The RX is built on the new GAK platform, which is made of lighter materials. While the exact curb weights of the various versions are unknown, Lexus has indicated that the new model weighs 198 pounds less than the outgoing model. The most significant change is the 2.36-inch increase in wheelbase. That means it will come standard with a wheelbase of 112.2 inches. That's still less than RX's primary competitors, but it's adequate to fit taller passengers in the second row. The new RX is 192.5 inches long, 75.6 inches broad, and 67.3 inches tall. Exterior. The outgoing model also has the famous spindle grille, but that design DNA has now been applied to the entire Lexus RX exterior. The front grille is smooth and features LED headlamps. At the back, new design lines curve slightly inward, resulting in a spindle-like surface. The RX sports a lower center of gravity thanks to the new chassis, and Lexus decided to embrace it as a design element with a wider lower-down stance accented by 19-inch alloy wheels. The innovative L-shaped light bar lamp features lenses that wrap around the body's sides. The new Range Rover Sport employs the same design strategy to give it a wider, sportier stance. Eminent white pearl, ultra white, nebula gray pearl, caviar, iridium, matador red mica, copper crest, nori green pearl, nightfall mica, and Grecian water will be among the 10 Lexus RX colors offered. Engine and performance. The 2023 RX will be available with 4 different powertrains, beginning with the RX 350, which is powered by a 275 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. That model comes standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, although all-wheel drive is available as an option. The RX 350h Hybrid combines electric motors with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine to produce 246 horsepower and is equipped with a continuously variable automatic transmission (CVT) and all-wheel drive. The RX 500h F Sport Performance, which uses Lexus's Direct 4 system to distribute power to all 4 wheels, combines the turbocharged 2.4-liter with electric power to produce 367 horsepower. A plug-in hybrid vehicle will join the roster later, though Lexus has not provided details. Interior and cargo. The cargo space estimates for the Lexus RX are not yet available, but Lexus has released photographs of the various changes. The trunk opening is quite large, and the floor is completely flat. The second row does not fold fully flat, however, pushing the seats forward creates a large open space. 4 persons can easily fit their ski equipment through the space given by the rear middle seat, while rear passengers can still perch comfortably. There are no headroom or legroom measurements provided, but the front and second row seats appear to have more than enough space to stretch out. Another major selling feature is the Lexus RX seats, which are widely regarded as among the best in the industry. The inside is of good quality, as one would anticipate. The final specifications will vary depending on the trim level, but all vehicles will include a 14-inch multimedia touchscreen display tilted towards the driver. Lexus ditched the vexing touchpad interface while keeping the climate control dials independent. There is also plenty of useful storage space in the Lexus RX interior. Lexus's interiors have evolved from incredibly busy to elegant simplicity. The F-Sport features a perforated leather-trimmed steering wheel with paddle shifters, suede-trimmed interior door trim, an F-Sport scuff plate, leather-trimmed interior, aluminum pedals, and other model-specific features. Connectivity. The RX's revised dashboard now features a larger 14-inch infotainment touchscreen. It is oriented slightly towards the driver, as is the smaller NX SUV, and features Lexus's newest software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Audio will be standard, while navigation, a heads-up display, and a Mark Levinson sound system will be available as options. Safety features. Lexus has much driver assistance technology as standard on all new cars and SUVs, and the 2023 RX is no exception. The RX's automated emergency braking system detects both pedestrians and motorcycles, and all models include adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Other standard safety features include lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Price. However, it is uncertain how high the price will be, because this vehicle is projected to be delivered by the end of 2022. The initial price could be $43,000. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.